News of the iOS 17 is flooding everywhere. We know you're anticipating the new operating system, and we're here to equip you with the information you need to decide if it's worth the hype or not. iOS 17 rumors have already projected the release date of the operating system. We have some interesting information for you, so sit back and enjoy the video.
Let's get started.
Beta limitations. Apple made some relevant changes to the processes of installing the developer and public betas in the iPhones and iPads when the iOS 16 emerged in the scene. Previously, profiles were used in the installation of updates. It was a requirement that these profiles be either linked to an account already signed into the public beta or a developer account. This feature will be repeated in iOS 17 and will provide security for users by making sure that non-developers are unable to install the iOS 17 beta using a shared developer profile. Wow! Because every installation will require strict authentication. In this video, we'll inform you about the exact release date of the iOS 17, so make sure you stick around. Next generation CarPlay. A change is coming to your CarPlay. The new iOS 17 operating system will take control of your car's dashboard and screen to give you a better user experience. Apple is taking full control of your radio, display, volume, and other functions with the inception of the iOS 17. The company wants your dashboard to have a glassy interface. You can trust Apple to provide the best of services, so make sure you anticipate this feature. Additionally, Apple will add more widgets to the already existing widgets for you to have more variety to choose from.
I love that!
Several vehicle brands have been included in this new CarPlay feature, and NextPit has all of that information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button to receive updates of all the trending tech news. iOS 17 support for sideloading and alternate app stores. Beginning from 2024, Apple will be required to allow for sideloading. This requirement was ordered by the European legislation. What this means is that users will be able to download applications without the use of the App Store.
Oh, nice.
This is good news for users because it will be much more convenient and straightforward to download apps from third parties. For app developers, this is even better news. It means that they wouldn't have to pay the 15% to 30% of the required fees to Apple. The sideloading feature will only be implemented in Europe for now. Let's see how that goes. Release date. Most of Apple's devices, including the iPhone flagship devices, are released in September, and the iOS 17 won't be an exception. Expect the operating system to be released around September 12, 2023, just like its predecessor.
This is amazing.
Which was released the same time last year. Are you impressed with the features of the iOS 17? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you know that Apple will be making a leap into the metaverse with the iOS 17? Check out our next video for information on that and a lot more.